Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're here in Beverly, Massachusetts, just looking at fire escapes and what you need to do in order to write a violation. The Mass Building Code 1028.3. You gotta look for deterioration, or you gotta look for an unsafe condition. Right away, you can see on all these fire escapes here, and I think Union Street is right over there, so it's one of these apartment houses here. It's got to look for, has it been kept painted? And the answer is no, it's got a lot of rust. As soon as somebody lets it rust this much, you've got definite connection issues. So, but right away you can write a violation on paint. It's got more rust than paint. And the evaluation by the fire escape engineer or by others acceptable to the building official will determine that there's other unsafe conditions such as structural issues. But let's say the guy, knowing that there was an inspection coming, painted this thing. And what can you see down here that would write a different violation? So the first thing you're going to notice is that you've got tiers of rust coming down the building. That's an indication that water's getting behind the steel. Number two, if you look up there at the railing's screwed in with a sheetrock screw. Number three, if you look at the joint where the bracket at the 45 diagonal goes into it, it's rotting where the bolt is. And the final thing that you see that you could write a violation on is these buildings are usually 50 to 75 years old, and that bracket has an original square bolt, meaning it's never been serviced. So automatically, that's an indication that this fire escape has some structural issues because it hasn't been refurbished. And usually in its 50 to 75 year life, you're going to get one new bolt here and there. So that's some of the things that I would write as a violation. Right away, you have a paint violation on this fire escape, but in case you don't have paint, the structural is the following things that I mentioned. If you have any questions on this or on any other fire escape inspection, give us a call at 866-649-0333, fireescapeengineers.com. You can also visit the free online training under YouTube. Just type in Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training, and this and many other videos of fire escape inspection training throughout the country is offered to you free of charge.